DecoNetwork makes it easy to process refunds for a customer. Simply go into the order that we need a refund, go into Payments, and you can click Add Refund. From here, you can choose why we're refunding the order. We can also mention some additional notes. Typically, though, you're going to want to add credit with the same value. So maybe we made a mistake and, hey, we're going to knock off $20 off this order. It'll refund $20 and we want to add the credit to the same account of the value. Click OK. We'll refund $20. Customer will be notified, hey, we refunded $20 and we're good to go. It's really that easy. Just go into the order, find the payment, click Add Refund. But just keep in mind, most of the time you want to add credit with the same value. If you have any questions on how to process a refund or anything else related to using DecoNetwork, simply come up to the question mark, view our help resources, or raise a support ticket and talk with client services. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.